Hi, this is Nick of Wolfman Repairs, and today, working my lawnmower. Alright. Now, the problem with this thing is that every time it gets hot, it loses spark. So, we need to put a new coil in it. Let me show you how to do that. I figured I work on all sorts of stuff, so I figured take you along with me. So let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is pull the hood off. So in order to do that, the first thing you got to do is open it. Yeah, it's open now. And then you gotta disconnect the lights. See the headlights up in there? It's a little plug right here. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. Nope, I can't. Hold on a second. Whoa! Alright, it's disconnected. Then you're going to want to go over there and lift it up, like tilt it down a little bit and lift it up, and I'll get it off the pegs. Like that. These are the pegs I'm talking about. See how they got like a little doohickey there, and this piece, it slots into here. Alright, now that we got that off, now the fun can start. Alright, then you grab your T40, focus, there we go, and you take these here off. Mine are already loose because I've been in here a million times doing other things. You don't got to take these out all the way. Just got to loosen them up so that it comes past the cover. See the cover? So you could pull this on up. Next is the fuel pump. It's got to come off. And for that we need a, what is this, 3/8? 3/8. Bottom bolt is longer than your top bolt. Don't mix those up. Alright, once the fuel pump's out of the way, then there's another 3/8 right there. And these just gotta be loosened just like the ones in the front. Just enough to get the cover off. And there's another one in the back there. We'll go around this way. Right here. Same thing. Then this cover comes off where your air filter is. Filthy air filter. Perfect. This whole thing should just come right off now. There we go. And here's what we're after. The coil. Ta-da! Alright, to remove the coil we need a 5/16. There's a wire under here. There you go. And then just your spark plug wire. And we take this, we throw it in the trash. Grab our new coil. This side out goes up. This one goes to the engine here. Grab your wire, shove that in first, because it'll be hard to put that on with the coil installed. Hard to put it on anyway. Now, yeah, I know I got a little bit of a oil leaking going on here, but that's okay. We're just going to pretend we didn't see that. Alright, now you need to set the air gap between the coil and the flywheel. They provide a business card with this one, so the business card works. Just shove the business card in there, put that all the way up against the engine, grab your bolts. Thread them on in if you can. I should tilt you a little more so you're in the middle of the screen, huh? That'd be better. See better. There we go. How's that? Is that better? Sorry about that. You don't want to go ham on these bolts because they're going into aluminum. But you need them tight. Just go back and forth and tighten them. Take your business card. Get it out of there. Get out of there, you. That might be a little too tight. The business card should be able to slide back and forth. Sometimes what I do is I rip the business card in half, just so that it's easier, because you got 2 points here, right? See, that's what you want. You want to slide in and out like that. Okay, this side. Perfect. Tighten it down again. Excellent. Okay, reconnect your spark plug wire. Perfect. And now let's see if it'll start. You're supposed to put all the covers back on for, safety reasons, but let's just give it a rip and see what happens. So if you're doing this at home, put the covers back on. And also the fuel pump's dangling right here. Alright, it works. Let's start the reassembly process. Cover. Fuel pump. Top bolt is your short one. Probably shouldn't have tightened that up all the way. Kind of want to keep them loose so that you can move it around a little bit in case this bottom bolt doesn't line up. And then there's a cover bolt in the back. And your hood. I'll drop it. And then your lights. Nice. Now, we're ready to mow. Go Jags. Alright, let's see. Should start right back up again. Twist on the key here. Alright, well, we seem to have fixed it, I think. Well, we gotta get it hot. But I'll let you know if it doesn't work. Same thing's going on with this Honda mower, and it's the same repair. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Wow, those are stuck. This is why you keep parts mowers around. I'll borrow this here coil from you. Uh-oh. Drop the bolt. It's stuck between the muffler and the cylinder head. Got it. Business card. It's a little tight. It's alright. Check the wire. Hold on a second. Yeah, you gotta remember this wire, otherwise it just won't work. There we go. Alright, let's see if it'll work. Alright, sweet. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.